to another video, and today what we're gonna be doing is replacing my back window with a third piece window. I got it last night. I didn't record it. I went with my homeboy Drosfat. We went to go pick it up. I got it from Facebook, and the guy wanted 200. I was able to get it for 180. I mean, it's still pretty good. So right now we're finna go replace the one I have, the stock one, and go put the third back window. So this is the window I got. Hopefully the guy cleans it up and all that, and he's gonna remove this one. And another thing I'm gonna be able to do is redo my stickers, because I'm gonna have a brand new back window. So let's get that done. And also I have done my front end, so that's done too.
Don't let me go. Oh, don't let me go. Don't let me go.
Alright, we just pulled up to the shop, and I'm gonna show you real quick where I'm getting it done. Hey, what's up guys? While I was editing the video, I noticed that I couldn't find the rest of the clips when they were installing my back window, so I'm not gonna have those no more. So I'm gonna just work with what I have and hope the video still comes out good. It sucks I don't have them no more, but let's see how this video comes out, and hope y'all like it. Peace. So before we close up the video, guys, I just want to say thank you for subscribing and showing support to my channel. We hit 100 subscribers. It's not much, but it's something. And I'm gonna be showing y'all what I do to my truck, every upgrade and all that. I'm gonna be uploading a video for it, so y'all can see and y'all can give yourself an idea what y'all want to do with yours if y'all have one. And yeah, I just want to say thank you, and it will help a lot if y'all share my YouTube channel with your friends and all that, and see if they like my content too. So thank you for subscribing and showing love, and see y'all later. Peace.